Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now it is in your granite metallic paint finish, accented by your black badging across the unit. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped there, as well as your rear park sensor. You can see that those sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your power lift gate, cargo area in the back, tons of room back there to store all your gear bags kind of secured out of the way while on the go. Of course, you do have your stow and go seating as well, so those seats do fold completely flat when not needed. Again, just your power lift gate option. Just to check out some of the features inside. So you do of course have your power sliding doors. This Pacifica does have your bench your bench second row seat, as you can see there. So you can get up to 8 passengers in the unit, 3 in that second row, 3 in the back, and 2 up front. And you can see there is a decent amount of legroom throughout the unit for all your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your DVD entertainment center in the back there, so you do have a screen on the back of each front seat. So a great feature for your passengers to stay entertained while on the go. You do have your power rear windows, heated second row seats, the ability to move your front seats forward and back with the push of a button there to easily access your stow and go option for your second row seats as well. So it makes it easy for those seats to get folded down. Up front, you do have your touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface here, a lot of great features packed in there. As you can see, you do of course have access to all your audio media controls, as well as your climate control options. You do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Navigation is equipped in there, of course your Bluetooth options, and then access to just some of these settings and apps that are included in through there. You do also have the fam cam equipped there, so you can easily check on your passengers in the back seat. So kind of a cool feature equipped on these units. Just below that, again, access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate control options. You can toggle some of your settings off, so like your lane departure warning and stuff, just easily in there as well. Just below that, your DVD CD player is below there. Your USB port hookups, everything easily accessible right in through there. Center console area, decent amount of storage space in there to keep things organized while on the go. You do have your keyless entry, so you can see your key fob for the unit here. Push button start in behind. You do have remote start equipped, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to of course all your cruise control options in there. It is equipped with your adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side, audio media controls in behind, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Of course, all your power windows, locks, side mirrors, your memory front seats. But you can see this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica is packed full of great features. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, something with that extra passenger room, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999, or follow the links below.